Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to describe two pictures in one video. Let's describe the first picture. A happy family playing in the park. This picture shows a happy family in a park. The weather looks sunny and pleasant. There are green trees all around. Colorful flowers are growing in the grass. A father is playing with his children. A mother is also playing with them. The parents look loving and caring. A little boy is standing in front. He is smiling happily. A little girl is standing near her mother. The children are trying to catch a ball. A yellow ball is in the air. Everyone looks excited. The family is enjoying quality time together. In the background, children are playing on swings. Two children are swinging happily. Another child is sliding down the slide. The slide is colorful and bright. The playground looks clean and safe. Children are laughing loudly. The parents are bending down to play. They are encouraging their children. The boy is wearing a striped shirt. The girl has tied her hair in a ponytail. The mother has blonde hair. The father has a beard. Everyone is wearing casual clothes. The park is full of joy. The grass looks soft and green. Flowers make the park beautiful. Children are enjoying outdoor games. Playing outside is good for health. The family looks very happy. The scene is full of love. The picture shows family bonding. It also shows childhood happiness. The playground is lively. Nature makes people cheerful. The picture gives positive feelings. It shows a perfect day in the park. Now we are going to describe picture 2, Life in the Park, a beautiful scene. This picture shows a beautiful park on a sunny day. Many people are enjoying their time in the park. The park is full of green trees and plants. A clean walking path runs through the park. There are tall street lights along the path. An old man is sitting on a bench. A little girl is sitting beside the old man. The old man is talking happily. The girl looks relaxed and calm. Some people are walking on the path. A man and a woman are walking together. They look like they are having a conversation. A mother is holding her small child's hand. The child is learning to walk. A dustbin is placed near the path. A boy is throwing garbage into the dustbin. He is keeping the park clean. A boy is riding a skateboard. He looks happy and confident. Another man is jogging on the path. Jogging is good for health. Two children are playing football. They are running fast. The football is in the air. A girl is riding a bicycle. She is wearing a helmet. A small boy is cycling behind her. They are cycling safely. A wooden bridge is visible near the water. A river is flowing beside the park. The water looks clean and blue. Ducks are swimming in the river. A mother duck is with her ducklings. The ducklings are following their mother. A family is having a picnic on the grass. A picnic mat is spread on the ground. There are bottles and food items on the mat. A father is sitting and smiling. A child is giving him food. Another child is eating happily. A woman is sitting near the picnic mat. She looks relaxed and cheerful. Two girls are playing with a butterfly. The butterfly is flying near them. The girls look excited. Bushes and grass cover the ground. The park looks clean and well maintained. Children are playing freely. Adults are relaxing peacefully. The atmosphere is joyful. Everyone seems busy in their own activity. No one looks sad in the picture. The weather appears pleasant. The sky is clear and bright. The trees give shade to people. The park is safe for children. People are enjoying nature. The picture shows outdoor fun. It also shows healthy activities. Walking and jogging keeps people fit. Cycling is a good exercise. Playing games builds teamwork. The picture teaches cleanliness. It teaches family bonding. It shows love and care. The park is a place for everyone. Young and old people are together. Nature makes people happy. The picture is colorful and lively. The scene looks peaceful. It feels like a weekend day. People are free from work stress. Children are enjoying their childhood. Families are spending quality time. The river adds beauty to the park. Ducks make the scene cute. Trees make the air fresh. The park is full of life. The picture gives positive feelings. It shows a perfect day in a park. Thanks for watching. For more picture description, like, share, subscribe to the channel.